It started 60 years ago with a spark. An idea that a school of unparalleled quality could become a family. And the belief that that family could change the world. The warmth of that spark has sustained our school community, lighting fires of discovery for generations of PACE students, propelling us forward together. We sense it when the conversations continue long after class, and an interest leads to innovation. When the boat floats and the bat connects, when the desire to succeed propels us to jump into the unknown, when going to school feels like coming home, the warmth radiates, spreading from our faculty to young learners and future leaders. It touches people and places in our community, our city, and around the world. The power of PACE is in our connections. It's in our diversity of interests and experiences. It's in our shared commitment to striving for excellence, and the belief that our collective energy is a force to be reckoned with.